Hello everyone, and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura, and today I will be making Mountain Sunrise Soap. Those are the colors that we'll be using. And here I am pouring the lye water into the oils. The oils I use are vegan and organic. I'm just going to stick blend this together. I just want this to be lightly mixed together. I don't want the soap to accelerate too much because I'm going to be doing a time-consuming pattern and I don't want the soap to set up too quickly. So here I'm going to divide this up into 3 different pots. And now I'm going to add the colors in, and just like before, I'm going to add these in dry. I've been experimenting with this. I believe the white dissolves better if it's been dispersed in something first, but I think it gave this soap a really neat effect, so I'm glad I did it dry. So first I'm just going to mix these together with a whisk, and then I will stick blend them in afterwards. And you'll see this creamy color become a lot more white once this is stick blended. And this just helps make sure that the color is evenly dispersed into the soap. This is the fragrance going in. This fragrance smells really nice. It has a very fresh scent, kind of like rain, or like after the earth after it's rained for a while. It has a very cool and airy scent to it. I really like this one. So what I'm going to be doing here is adding in the color to the box while it's on a slant like this. And each time I add some color, I'm going to add a little bit of white so that it gradually gets lighter as it goes to the top. And I'm just using one of my silicone molds turned upside down to prop it up. Because this is very tedious and time consuming, I'll speed up the video here so that you don't have to watch this in real time. Now because I wanted this to look like a sunrise, and I wanted there to be a mountain, I wanted there to be a very distinct change from the mountain to the sky so that it was a very obvious divide. I went ahead and stopped when this became a light purple, and then I'm going to add this white. And here I'm just lowering the mold down onto one of my rolled up towels. And that way I could unroll it as I go to slowly level the mold as I work. And then here's the pink. So now we've got a clear separation between this purple and what's going to be the pink sunrise of the sky. I'm just going to start adding this pink in. And just like before, I'll go ahead and speed this up. And here I'm letting it level out. And this will help spread that light pink gradient across the top of the purple. And now I'm going to add some dark pink because if you've ever seen a sunrise or a sunset and there's clouds, they typically have a really bold color to them. So this is going to be sort of like a cloud in the sky. And I'm just marking the edge of my mold here with the soap. This will help me see later on when I'm done with the soap. It'll help me tell which direction I should be cutting. And for the same reason as the pink, I'm going to add a little bit more of the purple to the top and some more of the pink here to make it look more like the sky. And also to give the effect that there's clouds. I'm just going to swirl this a little bit to hide any obvious lines. And because during sunsets and sunrises there's always, clouds that are different colors, so I'm going to go ahead and add some more purple to that. Some wispy clouds. And then to this I'm going to add the shimmery bluish color. This is really pretty to me. I like how when the light hits the clouds and you see that really pretty shiny edge, that's what this is going to be like. So I'm just using different things to represent what I see in the sky. And I'm just going to swirl it so it's pretty on top of the soap. And here's how the top looks. And we're just going to set it aside and wait about a day before we cut it. And here we are back the next day to cut the soap into bars. I'm just going to line this up. And then we'll get to see how it looks on the inside. Here's the first one. And I really like how this turned out. It really does look like mountains or hills to me. And I like how that white helps separate the mountain from the sky. And how the pink definitely looks like a cloud or something in the sky. And you can see the blue coming through, like wispy blue clouds up at the top. I'm really pleased with how this turned out. As I accidentally drop one. And now it has a piece of soap stuck to it. All better. If you like these bars, they will be available on March 1st in my Etsy shop. I upload videos every Monday and Thursday, so be sure to check back to see them. These are the end pieces that I'll cut into samples later. Here are some final pictures of the soap. I went ahead and gave it a stamp in the corner. Thank you for watching and have a great day.